na-aga n'ihu biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kelee Eze-Ana ị ga-adị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ị ga-adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu dampụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa jaja ndị okere dịga anyị fọnda mba gị ndị oche dị anyị fọnda mba gị fọdụ asị kala aka ụgọdị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke feka mma ulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wepekwa chọọchị fa obodo ụka bịakwa mana Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe Eze-Ana si na ọma mme ọdịnala ọmanwụ jaja oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi Chukwu abịa ma gbaa gị ume ọdịnala ya dị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu
ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwara m n'oge awa nke eziokwu ekenego m ndị nọ n'oru na ndị nọ n'Igbo ndị na-anụ olu m n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge awa nke eziokwu bụ oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba nke ọ bụ m nwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya n'ụbọchị tata bụ ụbọchị orie a sị na orie eritere anyị ihe ọma ma ripụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ a sị m onye cheche ihe ọjọọ ya eme anyị ya nwụrụ a sị m onye si na anyị ga-adị mma na onye a ga-adị mma mana onye si na anyị ama adị mma na onye a ama nata mma tiri ụwa agwụ ihe nkwu ise n'ụbọchị tata isiokwu anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị tata bụ all you need to know about Igbo spirituality and the importance of spiritual exercise. Akọwago m ihe bụ ọdịnala Igbo mana gee ntị n'oge awa nke eziokwu ka ịghọta ihe niile anyị ji bịa mana bifo anyị gaa n'iru maka ndị ọpụta atagbizi ha na-afụ m na soshal midia afọ mbụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu oraifite abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala tempụl anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry bụrụkwazị onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist I will answer. Ụbọchị Mọnde na ụbọchị Tọzdee bụ ụbọchị anyị ji enwe ministration using ọdịnala method ụbọchị anyị ji ekwupi okwu maka na ike dị n'okwu ọnụ onye ọbụla sịrị na ike adịrọ n'okwu ọnụ maọbụ na ike adịrọ n'ikwupi okwu maọbụ na ike adịrọ n'ịga ọfọ maọbụ iju okwu nke a gbọrọ ikpe ekpere ịma na onye a adịrọ serious. Ike dị n'okwu ọnụ maka na okwu ọnụ ka Chukwu Okike ji wee ka ụwa. Den nke ọzọ anyị nweziri bụ echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Eprel na-aga n'iru ndị niile sonyere anyị na ya bụ aja anyị na-achụ ma ndị nọ n'oru ma ndị nọ n'Igbo. Ọrụ anyị bụ ụtụtụ ọbụla bido tata bido yesterday anyị bido ya bụ ịchụ aja wee gaje nke taa wee luo 19th. Ọrụ m bụ ije na-achụ aja present ya prayer request to the entities of powers at the temple. Ụbọchị anyị ga-emechi ụbọchị 19th anyị chụzie aja dị iche iche gbuo eburu wee mesara aka nwanne chụba aja na aja karịrị ọgwụ na-achụ aja maka na ị na-achụ aja aja ọbụla ị chụrụ enwero nke na nkịtị. Aja ọbụla ị chụrụ nwere ihe ọ na-egbukwapụrụ gị. Ọ na-egbukwapụrụ gị ọnwụ ike, ọ na-egbukwapụrụ gị nsogbu abụna nsogbu, ọ na-egbupụrụ gị oke mmụọ na oke mmadụ, amoosu mmụọ na amoosu mmadụ. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na ike ha na-efunarị aka ọbụla na-achụ aja. Nke a bụ ihe nchọ ka ịghọta. Den nke ọzọzi bụ agwara m ụnụ maka muvi nke our temple na sponsor. Agwara m ụnụ I'm the MD Ugochi movie productions. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịda watch movie niile ndị anyị na sponsor, gaa na my movie channel na YouTube Ugochi movie productions. Ị gaa ebe anyị gara watch Nigerian movies anyị na-produce. Iji ebe anyị nwego lots of movies I sponsor. The latest one I post now about the anger of the gods. Iji ebe ahụ ihe amụta many things na our movie because ihe anyị na-use bụ true life stories. Then I can assure you another one art and I made this on yaketa about the consequence of okite. By next week here be in our YouTube channel. Then by tomorrow but Saturday I need to another one abomination nemesis. Yes, you need our movies I na sponsor which are true life stories. So if you watch my movies, in my friend on Facebook, in my friend on my monetized YouTube account channel. Ebe ga afia on this newly created channel, both some movie and I watch ebe anwa, movie I sponsor. Then we gwa gị na ọ bụrụ na n'iwu onye nwere talent art movie ma na ị nwere sponsor, ị chọọ ka anyị kwado gị ka anyị nyere gị aka wee bring you out to a new platform. Chat am na WhatsApp. Then nke ọzọzi bụ ọ bụrụ na iso yewughị na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa April a ma na ị chọrọ iso na nke Mee. Ndị na-eso ndị ya amaghị ka esi eme mana maka gị gbagba onye ọfụ if forward ya 3 prayer requests make donation token to the account number. Eche atizen na WhatsApp ka gwazie other details I need from you ka enwe ike book gị for nke ọnwa Mee. Ọnwegori ndị book ndị na-esobu anyị mbọ nwe ndị book chari throughout the year. Yes, ka ha ga-adị chefu. Chat am na WhatsApp number ma ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ka enyere gị aka n'ụzọ ọbụla n'ihe ndị a ngosiri 0805 78 37672. I repeat 0805 7837672. Isiokwu anyị ji bịa taata wee life changing topic. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ aghọtara ihe bụ ọdịnala Igbo. Ọ bụrụ na ịghọta ihe bụ ọdịnala Igbo, ịghọta na ọdịnala Igbo bụ a spiritual movement. Ọ bụ a spiritual life. Ọ bụrụ egwu ọgwụ. Agwara m ụnụ ndị mmadụ na-aghọta ihe ọdịnala Igbo chọọ na onye gbuo oke ike ọ bụrụ onye ọdịnala. Ọ bụrụ eziokwu. Ana m akọwara gị how to be successful in life. Yes, abụ ndị bịa. Yes, a successful one at that. Enwere m oke ite. Adị m alụ oke ite. Ịghọtara ya? Ihe m believe na ya bụ ịchụkwa mmụọ, chụkwa my spiritual forces. Then chụkwa alụsị. Ha niile bụ total ezumezu. Mana anything bụ ịgwọ ọgwụ ka e wee bute ego, ka e wee hypnotize ya mmadụ, ka e wee nara mmadụ okie, ihe ndị a bụrụ ọdịnala Igbo. Ọ bụrụ ọkwa taa ka o bidoro. Ọ dịbara gboo mana mgbe anwa dị na social media ndụ ịdị anụ maka ya. Ịdị anụ maka ya. Enwere ndị kere ike mgbe gburugburu ị nwere ike ịlụtatụ. Ọ nwere ndị nwere ike ịnwụ n'otu mmọnwụ ọ bịa n'ebe a na-akwa ozu ọ gbachaa anụ ọgbọ before na ọtụtụ ofu osisi aka the next day osisi akpọnwụ. Ọ ngwa ndị na-agba aka rigoro elu nkwụ sọsasịa nkwụ echiri na nkwụ anwụrụ. Ọ nwere ndị na-eme anwansi dị iche iche. Ihe niile abụ ihe dị modogwu. Ịghọtara ya? Ọ nwekwara ndị nwere ike iji nkata kuru mmiri, ihe niile abụ anwansi. Ịghọtara ya? Ihe ndị a niile has nothing to do with cause Igbo spirituality. Ihe niile abụ ihe dị wee mee odogwu ka e wee gosi ka ndị nwụọ. Ịghọtara ya? So mana ihe na-achọ ịkọwala gị bụ ihe bụ kọ ọdịnala Igbo. Yes. Core ordinary Igbo does not support you making charms in order to hypnotize your brother, to manipulate your brother. Call your obese a boy. On a bumbo. Or man about anything. Kiwe nari okia. Kiwe exchange his destiny. This is not Igbo spirituality. This thing is born out of greedy and selfishness. Let me tell you what is Igbo spirituality. Igbo spirituality believes in karma. Igbo spirituality believes in that whatever you sow, go and read it even in the Bible, Igbo Christian Bible. Galatians 6:7 will say, God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow is what you reap. Yes. So, if you sow bad, you reap bad. If you say you sow goodies, you reap goodies. So, Igbo spirituality believe that offer no good. It comes with killing hands. Igbo spirituality believe that whatever you do must fall upon your head. Because if you commit evil, if you see go back to you, the originator, that's Igbo spirituality for you. Your hands must be clean. Never you intentionally decide to hurt your fellow man out of selfishness. It's wrong. If you are doing this, you are not a core ordinary person. You are just self-acclaimed ordinary person. Quote me anywhere. Even that old days you mentioned, there are some misled personalities that engage themselves in those diabolic means. But what happened? After their existence, their families and their relatives are still suffering it. Because go to Bible. Or say, where to the fourth generation. So the sin of the father will touch the children and grandchildren if their father lives long life. That is why in ancient book says, righteousness exalts a nation. Sin is a reproach. So some people, their fathers or their grandfathers suppress people, live all manners of domineering life. Then, and by so doing, they incur a lot of curses from the oppressed people. And there are a lot of curses. They attracted a lot of curses. That is the cause of some of the problems some families are facing now. And you can disentangle yourself by calling a spade a spade. If your forefather or your father committed evil, say, this thing is evil, I'm not part of it. Don't ever be in a gang to conspire against somebody that is very clean, an upright person. So some people, their fathers committed a lot of atrocities under the guise of a traditional person. Now, some people will now be blaming tradition. No. Tradition is that old man in the village. Let me tell you what a traditionalist is. A dibia, a herbalist does not represent Igbo spirituality. Quote me anywhere, I'm a herbalist, yes. But let me tell you, for you to represent Igbo tradition, you must be an Ichie or a titled person that understands Igbo culture, or you are an Akajiofo and elder, the oldest man in the village. O nwere ndị ọnụ na-ekwu n'ihe gbasara ọdịnala. Ya bụ ọda asị ka akpọ ha. Ọ bụrụ oge a na-enwe eziokwu na na-enwezi igwe gọọmenti na. Ọ bụrụ oge a na-ahọpụta igwe based on traditional base. Enwere igwe in council. Enwere ndị onda gbara aka n'ume esi na from Emery clan were assembled as the advisors of Igwe. Adịm ekwu maka igwe nke a na-eji egota n'ọka enye staff of office. Adịm ekwu maka that one. So ihe bụ a traditionalist, that old man that is in the village, every morning he break his collar, he use his white chalk nzu to communicate with ancestors, to pray for the well-being of the land and his children and children unborn, and bless the entire land and plead for mercy from the ancestors. That man that is very genuine, if you want to take somebody's land or whatever that belongs to the person and he is involved in judgment, he will tell you to the face, Mr. Omazi, what you are doing is not good. This land is not yours. That upright man, that is a core spiritualist. That elderly man, maybe if he becomes the eldest, if in our clan, if for you to be a chief priest to our deities, he must be the eldest in the community. So that man that is the eldest in the community, maybe he's not even a dibia, he's not a herbalist, but he's the eldest, he will be the chief priest of our deity. That is a traditionalist. It's not every small boy or a small girl that start doing that today. He will claim a force in Ordinana. No, a dibia or a herbalist is a profession. The way a medical doctor is a profession. But does not mean, it's not once you are a dibia, immediately you become an authority and the custodian of Igbo culture. No. You will become a custodian of Igbo culture by merit, by your doings. Because naturally, following with using money. No. I'm talking about you as in meriting and ichie, following normal process. If you follow the normal process, you become an ichie. Mgbe ị ga-anọ n'ihe a na-akpọ ịba na akwụ ọzọ for 21 days. Some people will die there because it's a process for you to become an ọzọ Eze-Ana. Ị nwere ike iru ebe ụmụ mgbe egbuo gị under 21 days you are not going out. Ị ga-anọ indoor ewere ọmụ gochi ebe gị. After 21 days ị succeed ya pụtazie that day agwa onye ya etuwe ugo ọzọ pụtazie ụbọchị wụ tuo gị afọ ọzọ gị anwa ị respond bụọ ama na ị succeed. Before you proceed before you are crowned one. So what am I saying? The Igbo spirituality is not a childish play. Let me explain now. Or for you to be a successful Igbo spiritualist, one, you must know and have it in mind that whatever you sow is what you reap. That is one. Two, you must have time for your spiritual exercise. The time you set aside, it could be morning, afternoon, or night, when you set aside to communicate to your ancestors. Yes, you must have that time for spiritual exercise. Call it spiritual exercise, call it meditation, call it silent time, call it whatever. But must be time for you to communicate. Example, if you come to my house any morning, I will never give you audience until I visit the temple. You understand that? And they turns to all the entities in the temple. Wahana chiefo. Makana goes are gone before I will be able to face any other mortal. You know what? Now, so what I'm saying in essence is this. For you to be on your Oburu na in na social media. Man, in one time when a spiritual exercise, you are not serious. Yes. They didn't in other better na ordinana. Maybe in your dibagego. More spiritualist go call all in Africa coco, near all, near one yacht. Igbo spirituality does not permit you to take women mother. Igbo spirituality does not permit you to wherever general money here. Igbo spirituality does not support evil. So from your own end, why you are asked to feed your ancestors, to all of those or settle all your spiritual associates, of the spiritual heart. Here he build here he had about personal relation. All these things will not give you money. Anybody that is, if your purpose of coming to Ondana is to acquire wealth through just nature, you are not serious. Yes, I will tell you the truth. To build your spiritual force, because here they say career. Before you were born, your spiritual forces, your Ndotu and the rest of them are your spiritual forces. They are the forces that are supposed to stand with you on earth for you to succeed massively. So what are we saying? What we are saying is to activate that your spiritual forces that are there with you from the time you were warrior. So by the time you build your personal relation, align yourself with them, they will start with you. And what they will do first for you is to conquer fear. If you are following me and they are still believing that somebody will kill you, that somebody will somebody will that somebody will do, your life is not in the hands of your enemy, not it. If you are type that I told you is you or in Igbo. Meaning, if Yachi does not, if Yachi and Yaizumel does not support any evil to harm you, you will live and grow old, grow gray hair. Meaning that Chigo Kudolugi, a mama no so. So you need your spiritual forces. Anybody that is telling you that you don't need your spiritual forces is lying to you. I have been to Indians and Chinese, Japanese, tell them they are highly spiritual. Indian man don't joke. He can't even leave his house without communicating to the entities. Is it Chinese? Yes. So nobody should tell you should not go spiritual. Going spiritual is good because going spiritual will always give you more vision, more knowledge, and what you must do in order to get the ends meet. In order to get more vision that will help you to create what will give you money, you need the vision. That is why some of these white men came to our place and move away with some of our artifacts. They will keep them and draw the spiritual strength in order to get the vision and knowledge on how to create things. Because Hosea 4:6 says, my people are suffering because of lack of knowledge and vision. So knowledge and vision is what will help you to activate that your gift to become money. You can be a web developer. You can be an app developer. You can be a web designer. These things are vision and knowledge. So you on your own, you must learn. If anybody is telling you to fold your hands like this because you have done your spiritual work, that money will fall from heaven, it's not true. No amount of spiritual work that will make you, some will tell you that they will prepare a magic box or pot that every morning you go there and pick money. They are deceiving you. Yes, they are deceiving you because you are greedy. It doesn't work that way because more does not print money. If there is any money somebody vote for you, that money is being stolen from someone else. And the spiritual world, they don't produce hard currency. They don't produce money, what we call legal tender. It has nothing to do with it. So if anybody produce ego as magic, he went somewhere and brought that money. I can tell you for fact. Yes. I want to show that money. I don't say that money. You see, that money will no longer disappear. I want to come back to that. Money na check one and they because he greedy. Onya na egu wa yoro onye nwere anyu. Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi to egu wa because I understand how things work. Yes, people can come to my inbox and send whatever, send anything, this and that. I don't pick those opportunities because they're not real. Let me tell you how to make money. How to make money. Why I ask you to start your spiritual exercise. One, if after doing your spiritual work, it is for you to make amend with forces that have been dragging you. Maka na onye kwụ ụgwọ oji onwere onwe ya. O nwere ike onye bi na nne ọkwụ ụgwọ ndị aghachi. Yes. O nwere ike ọbụ na your fathers and your note and your children has been indebted. You have to clear it. Yes. So, after you back it up with your spiritual exercise. Don't say you have your spiritual, you have done your spiritual work for you. No. What you will do, back it up, create time for your spiritual exercise, time for liberation. When you reflect on what you must do and how you can do it to be successful. Okay, you want to train your children, give them a better life, give your wife a better life. Now ask yourself, what you are doing now, can that thing you are doing right now give you a better life you want for your family? If the answer is no, then what you will do during your spiritual exercise, tell your mates that you want this, that. Then listen to them. They will advise you that what you are asking for, you cannot achieve it alone with what you are doing right now. That you need to expand source of income. You need to have multiple source of income because one source of income is a bad idea. Come along, Matt. I Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi. Even before I came to Ordinana, I understand how this works because I have been a spiritual person all along. All that I'm playing from the wrong angle. There was never a time on one single source of income. There was never. Okay, let me use Abuja when I was in Abuja. When I was in Abuja, I have told you, I have known a lot of people. I gave my contact where I normally buy things from US. Refurbished laptops, projectors, and rest of them. And where I normally buy goods, my contact, where I normally buy goods from China, like mouse, memory cards, and flash drives, name them, all the computer peripherals. I used to buy in China without being to China. I have the contacts. Then, when I was leaving the business, I gave some people the contact. They paid me. Don't you know that they buy contacts? They buy contacts. Understand? Now, even when I was in Abuja, I sold some of those contacts because I was coming to start my work. Those contacts is simple means introducing them to where I buy. Telling my customers, look, this guy is a good guy. Please do him well. That's my work. Now, but when I was in Abuja, even when I was doing that, under good luck era, I did very well for myself. That is the reason why I have a house in Abuja where my family lives. You understand? Yes. Still have tenant house. But it's possible because I work so hard. Spirit, if he like do 40 days and 40 nights, he can never wake up and see money under your pillow. It's not possible because spirits don't create physical money. So while I'm doing that business, I still have my time to go some trainings. Also, I have sales girl. So some trainings in Abuja. Is it Use 2? I normally go there for trainings. There are so many hotels that normally organize training, one training or the other. Is it online importation, online this, online that? JDU business, people that may be online training or maybe forest training. You go and learn it as a side business, as a side hustle. But for me, I was a networker. Yes, I grew to the ranks of becoming the executive director with Sabdebali, a Filipino company. When the white men brought the company in Nigeria, yes, I worked directly with my uplines, the white. They trained me in networking. I still have my downline, even when I was in Abuja. I have my downline almost 36 states of Nigeria. I have downlines using power of social media. You understand? I will be in Abuja, create time for presenting my products. People from other states join me as downlines. You understand? Even when the company celebrated their anniversary in Abuja, I won many awards on that day because of my effort. Yes, I work very hard to end that opportunity. So even now, I'm into so many business. Yes, I'm a DB. I don't have time. Even sometimes my wife will be telling me that you are working so much. I tell them, yes, I'm working so much because I want to impact lives. Those money I'm making, I use it to help people. As we speak now, our foundation is paying some, giving some scholarships to some less privileged, both primary to secondary school level. We have them on our payrolls. I work very hard because I want to impact lives. Now I'm a movie producer. I'm a registered member of AMPRAC, Association of Movie Producers and the actors. Yes, and practitioners. I'm a member. I produce my movies. I want to give opportunities to upcoming people to become stars. I can tell you, go to my YouTube channel, watch the faces you are seeing there. I can tell you from now till next 1 year, some of my people that you are seeing my face, some of them are unknown, right? I can tell you that some of them will become stars. What my was by this time next year. That is me. Once I set my target, I match it with action. Yes. Okay. Last year I opened my pure water company. That's why it's not enough. I invested in so many things. As any money, I will not fold hand that for the fact that I'm a Dibia. Yes, I'm a Dibia. I don't even have time. Today, after these lectures, we have lots of work. People waiting for me. Once I finish for this movie, I buy them all. The same thing Saturdays. The same thing next Tuesday, every Tuesday, Wednesday, Fridays, and Saturdays is people with food here. I pay my attention to my work. But you will ask me how am I coping with other business of business? It's because I employ people. Yes. When His Excellency Peter Obi was talking about how he will transform Nigeria, the whole thing he will do it alone. What's important is to hire professionals. In my pure water company, I have professionals that is manning it. Then in my music producing company, I have my director, movie director. I have the PM production manager. I have my editor, the DOP. I have my the continuity person, I have the makeup artist and the costumier. You understand? I build a place where I house all of them so that they will be able to train upcoming ones. So it's not as if I'm the one that doing everything. No, I pay attention to my spiritual work. Yes, but I created other avenues. Some of them I was not even created because of too much wealth, no money. No, I created it that even if I make some percentage of money from it, I will invest like 50% of it in helping others. That's how to make money. Money does not fall from heaven. So even if you are making money, what you are doing now, try to diversify. That's how to make money. So don't think that money will just fall. Work very hard. I mean, work hard and work smart. Not only working hard. If you are working hard, work smart. What you don't know how to do, what you don't know how to do, then engage somebody that knows how to do it to train you. Do you know that not quite long ago, I sent one of my personal assistants to go and learn some certain things from Uncle Ivy. I paid. So my people, I normally send them for training. Because let me tell you one thing. If you are not properly trained, you will be a quack. Because I believe in training. I know power of training. So whatever you want to be and whoever you want to emulate a successful person. So that person will teach you the tricks. So whatever you do, stop wasting your money for something that you will not add values. Know the type of friends you keep. For me, you galavant, you throw parties, you spend 500,000, 1 million naira for your party. For me, I don't do all those things. I know how to invest my money. I invest my money into something that will yield better fruit for me and for others. Some of you waste money, 500,000 naira phone, 1,000 naira phone, that's a woman. Some of you will invest your money, take a woman on holiday in Dubai. I don't have time for such things. I use my money in the rightful manner. But you waste some of this money. You buy expensive cars for women. I'm not saying that it's bad. Yes, but think about tomorrow. You know how to utilize their money. Because all that, no condition is meant permanent. Uncle mother para no Ugochi. Kona ya n'udu mmiri. O nwere ndị nwetagolo enough money to the extent that if they plan it very well, they will never go broke in their entire life. Because he who does not plan is planning to fail. So what am I saying? Learn what is Igbo spirituality. Never you engage yourself in any shortcut of trying to do a charm pot of money in order to hypnotize your fellow human being, take people's destiny and harm them. Because one day, monkey go market, you go return. You know why? There's somebody who will try to take his destiny or her destiny. In part 2 comes tomorrow. Send them message in WhatsApp 0805 7837 I repeat 0805 7837 Now to work can temple me and there could be a more in the friends of the temple and the friends of the temple and the children of the temple and all my fans all over the world. Now to work can temple me and there. Ki ho money ni no biaro na mesu. Na ori abudori afa abu na afọ na nkwa abu na nkwa afi na ụbọchị na anọ na aha Chukwu oke kepụrụ ime ihe niile onye ike niile si n'aka ya abịa ịnerecha vidiyo metụ maka na chi abọtị ka nwanne gị wee ike nụ ihe a from the horse's mouth ya gazie ka ọ dị echi.